guys, what's up? So if you're looking for the popular tree filter which turns everything green into purple, then check out this video. So this is the effect gallery on TikTok, and as you can see this image green to purple. Let's go here. Okay, and I'm in trending now, and this filter is also trending now in TikTok. So you can see this filter at the top of the trending. So let's tab here. Okay, now we are using the filter. Okay, this filter will not work properly in the front camera. Actually, it will not work in the front camera. As you can see, let me tap, and it's not working. Switch your camera, and as you can see, this is green. Let's tap on the camera, and it's purple. Let's tap again, green. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter in TikTok. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.